You are. Shut up a minute, Ash. Because that's all you fucking are, innit? Just a jumped up tip rat hanging off the fucking coattails of a bully. Because that's all Bri was, a fucking bully. Hey? Listen, I'll bully him, the senile old cunt. Fucking carry on with your mouth, Emma, and I'm going to come and knock your husband out. Ill or not, you daft cunt. See how you fucking go then. And if your fucking little boys want to go then, while I'm in your area knocking your fucking husband out for your mouth, we'll have a go with them as well. You silly little fucking cunt. You little prostitute bastard. Go sell yourself for another story. Crank. Good evening, Ashley. We have breaking news coming from fucking boys. Hey, you little fucking idiot. Try threatening me. Think I give a fuck? You don't bother me. You and your people don't scare fucking me. I live down in Yorkshire. You and your lot don't fucking own Yorkshire, you silly little bin. Keep your shit up there. Because you send your lot down here, I guarantee you they get flat packs and fucking shit back up via trawler. Cunt. Fucking try me, a big-lip slag.
I was so the fuck.
You say it as if, like, you know, as if you was a real Geordie.
Harvest. Well, I need glasses. I need glasses. It's like GNE. I've heard GNE when he reads the chat.
Fucking hell, he's just fucking backwards him into this stupid cunt.
Can't read a fucking right, that cunt, I'm telling you.
That's
1 minute.
Go on, what do you want to raise?
Right, so Emma Cockrell, right?
You don't want to raise her, do you? Not that strong, are you?
Well, no, I don't want to raise it. I mean, lips alone would probably snap my wrists. But anyway, Emma Cockrell states that she only contacted Jimmy so that Jimmy could translate these forms. Right now, one, Jimmy doesn't speak Thai. Two, Jimmy can't fucking write or understand or fucking even translate Thai. So why would you contact Jimmy?
No, come on, three. You just use Google Translate. It's free and reliable.
Use Google Translate because it's fucking definitely going to get your message. I'll bring Northern King back now.
Fucking hell.
Yo.
Yo.